Hi everyone, I just want to show you some new beads that I've got and I absolutely love them. They're 10mm acrylic and they're bubble beads. So I thought I would make a bracelet with them. So we have 12 inches of elastic, bead clip on the end to stop the beads falling off. The average wrist size is 7 inches, but just alter it to what size you need. I'm just going to add an extra bead. I can't remember if I stretched the elastic beforehand. I'll just do that now. To tie the bracelet, we're going to do a surgeon's knot. So we go over once and then twice, pull. Then we're going to do one knot the other way. So you put that through and then pull. And I always do one for luck. Snip off the end. There's two. The beads can be found on my website, which is linked below for you, Low Cost Craft Supplies. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.